The footage shows Ukrainian units in Myrnograd starting to make unfavorable maneuvers, moving to a more advantageous position to prevent a potential encirclement, but soon they are destroyed by the Russian MLRS. Several Russian Telegram channels released a video on December 8, 2025, reporting that groups of the armed forces of Ukraine in the city had been cut off from any form of support, and having no possibility of retreating from the line of contact, moved from one building to another in search of shelter. Rather than fighting to attack the Russian troops, it is even likely that they were looking for food or drink, as the can of beans and a liter and a half of water they got once a week was in short supply. This was also reported by the Russian Ministry of Defense, citing an arrested Ukrainian prisoner. Despite this, Ukrainian units were completely cut off from all Myrnograd escape routes, and those who did not lay down their weapons would be completely destroyed. The group of dying Kiev troops was unaware that a Russian drone was filming them, eventually entering a building in the city center. However, a full salvo of 12 rockets of Russian Tornado S-300mm working in the sector, moments later burning down the building along with all the troops fighting for Zelensky. The MLRS's extraordinary precision strikes increasingly destroyed Ukrainian positions and paved the way for Russian assault units in the process of complete liberation of Myrnograd after neighboring Pokrovsk.